Welcome to the video. My name's Adam and thank you for joining me. This series of videos will see us on our first ever canal boat holiday. Let's see how often we crash and how we get on along the canals. So I booked this holiday about 6 months in advance. Something I had never done before. Something we were really looking forward to. On the way there we visited some nice English villages before making our way into Wales and then to the Chirk Marina where we have picked up our 56-foot canal boat. It did take a bit of getting used to, very strange feeling having never driven a narrowboat before. We did have an introduction from the staff of the hire company and off we went and off we went. So we were on the Llangollen Canal, going from Chirk to Llangollen, down to Ellesmere and back again to the Chirk Marina. We hired our canal boat for 5 days, so we thought that would be plenty of time for this excursion. So what do we get on board when you book a canal boat? Well, on board this boat we had all the essentials such as cups, plates, cutlery. So all we needed to bring was food, or alternatively look for somewhere to pull up, pub ideally for lunch and dinner. So our route from Chirk to Llangollen took us to the Poncesil Aqueduct. Now as you can see, there's only space for one narrowboat at a time, so it's a case of getting there, make sure there's no one else coming in the opposite direction, and then taking your turn to go. So when there is a space, 2, 3, 4 of you might all try and go across at the same time, as we did in this case. On one side of the canal is the towpath, where now the pedestrians would walk alongside to cross the bridge. This side has obviously got the barrier there, but on the other side it is just a sheer drop straight down, which is why the children stayed on the side nearest the path. Reportedly they've had no deaths and no one has ever fallen from a canal boat off the side. There's some beautiful views from the side of the boat, but would you look over the edge? We'll say the thickness of the barrier, probably an inch thick at the most. Got beautiful uninterrupted views. Now this part's relatively straightforward, just going in a straight line. too difficult. However, as we reach the end of the aqueduct, this is where it gets tricky, because there is a very, very sharp left turn, and lots of people like to gather around to watch people as they attempt it. So as we approach the turn, we go past all the people in their canoes waiting to cross the aqueduct. And here we go, towards the turn. It's the first time I've ever had to make this sort of manoeuvre. And as you can see, it's not going well. Alright, we hit the edge. It's okay, we've survived. Let's straighten ourselves up. Let's get under that bridge. No pressure, only everyone watching. And there we go. We'll get ourselves straightened up. And then through we go. Only a few scrapes, but luckily, dare I say, the boat's built for this, so no issues. Here we go, and we'll carry on with our journey. With that disaster averted, we'll carry on with our nice peaceful cruise. Now it doesn't go fast, 4 miles an hour at the most, but to be honest, that's plenty. And then we get to our destination, Bolger, and enjoy our sundowners. This is part 1 of a 5-part series, so please join us next time where we explore Bolger and the source of the canal. And then we walk around where we meet a horse and traffic on the canal. Join us next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.